Today's video is brought to you by Oxedo LED lighting. You might think that you can see just fine at night. Well, I did too, until I did this little upgrade. As you can see from this footage, here is some before Oxedo LED lighting, and here is some after Oxedo LED lighting. The difference is amazing. With high brightness and easy installation, Oxedo LED lighting is definitely the route for you. They're easy to install, and they're available for all makes and models. Click on the link in the description below and enter promo code 612motorsports at checkout to get yourself 15% off. Now back to our video. Hello and welcome back to another episode of 612 Motorsports. In today's episode, we are going to be tackling something that has been plaguing me for quite some time. Today, well, we're finally going to get after it, take care of that. I have a little bit of the OCD, and for some reason, this is one of those things that it bothers me every time I see it, but I just haven't taken the time to do it until now. But before we get into that, you guys know the routine. Go ahead, hit that subscription button, notification bell, leave a comment, thumbs up, all that stuff. Super, super helpful. Very, very greatly appreciated. All right, as you can probably see, I've got the Xtreme here behind me. And, well, I don't know if some of you have a keen eye, you probably have noticed, but my headlights suck. They turned yellow. Now, we put these in maybe 5 years ago, and actually this marker light now holds moisture, wicks, condensation. I mean, whether it's just a cool morning or whatever, there's always a little condensation in there, so we're gonna be replacing these. As a matter of fact, I never even adjusted these, to be honest with you. This one shoots off into the ditch a little. If you look at it, let's look at it together, folks. If you look at it, see how that headlight kind of cockeyed a little bit? I mean, it's like the thing had a stroke, a little bit of a, just droopy, not quite right. So, it doesn't make the backing up in here look very good. So we're gonna address that today. We're gonna put in some fresh, crisp lighting. So sit back, grab your favorite beverage, grab yourself a snack, whatever it may be, the dog, your old lady, something of that nature, and hang tight and enjoy. We're gonna go ahead and switch those out. And what we got here is just some actual copies of what's on here now. They are just an aftermarket clear headlight and marker light. So everything is going to be in here, and I have not really gone through it yet, but you can already see that looks a lot crisper, and yeah, I'm pretty excited to get that on there and see what they look like. First things first, we're going to go ahead and get these out. So look at the difference between these two. I mean, this has water in it yet. You see the vapor in there. It's just gross. This is so crisp. It looks so good. So let's get these put in. that looks a hell of a lot better. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. Let's take a look at it together. Yeah, that's pretty spectacular, huh? It's just crisp, fresh, looks really good. So I do see that the driver's side one here is still a little cockeyed, and we're gonna have to look into that a little bit, but it is definitely a lot better. The fitment on these is a lot better, so it looks great. I can't complain. I hope you guys enjoyed. As always, stay positive, work hard, and make it happen.